Want to turn your static designs into interactive experiences? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create prototypes in Penpot in 2026. We'll connect screens, add interactions, preview the user flow, and prepare your prototype for testing or sharing. Start by signing in to your Penpot account and opening the project you want to prototype. If you don't already have multiple screens, create a few simple frames, such as a home page, a login screen, and a dashboard. Next, locate the prototype section or prototype tools in the editor. Switch from the regular design workspace to the prototyping tools so you can begin connecting your screens. Select an interactive element, such as a button or navigation item, then create a connection to another frame. You might connect a sign-in button to a dashboard screen or a menu item to another page. Choose how the interaction should work. Depending on the available options, you can set a trigger, choose the destination screen, and select a transition or animation style to make the experience feel more natural. Once your screens are connected, open the preview mode and test your prototype. Click through each interaction to make sure every screen opens correctly and the navigation works exactly as expected. If you notice anything that needs improvement, return to the editor and adjust your connections or interactions. So when everything looks good, save your project and share the prototype with teammates, clients, or testers for feedback. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully learned how to create prototypes in Penpot in 2026. Interactive prototypes are one of the best ways to test ideas, present your designs, and improve the user experience before development starts. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Penpot tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.